Hi guys, I want to give you an update of an Abacaba video that I'm planning on doing. Oh wait, this isn't Abacaba, this was my lunch. Okay, so I want to make a video that's like a line graph showing how notable people are according to the New York Times over time from the 1800s to now. And let's see, we can search, not that, but something close. New York Times archive. So the goal is to figure out how many articles were written about a person for each month, and that will be our metric for how notable that person was. So you can go to this archive that goes all the way back to 1851, search in any name, let's say Abraham Lincoln, because that person is old. Well, okay, like just someone who's not in the news right now, but was a long time ago. And we can put in a specific date range, let's say from the 1st of 1861, this is a little hard to type in, to the 1st of 1862. Oops, okay, November 1, 1862, whatever. So that's about 2 years range right there. Click refine search. Oh, okay, that one's wrong. There we go, that's right. And then here are articles written that long ago, like in 1862. So there's, wait, is that right? 48,000 results for Abraham Lincoln from that range. Well, let's get a little more specific. Let's make this actually 1 month range. So January 31st, 1861. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find a list of all notable people ever through Wikipedia or something. Okay, so 1,818 for that range for just January 1861 for Abraham. Oh, I forgot to type in Abraham Lincoln again. Okay. Anyway, I'll get a list of all notable people. It's gonna be a few thousand, I'm guessing, maybe more. And then do this type of search. And why doesn't it tell me how many there are? Oh, it's because it shows them all. Okay, well, it should say something like showing results 1 of 10 of 15 results. And then that number 15 is our metric for Abraham Lincoln in that month. I don't know why it's not showing up here. But as an example, on this tab, let's close inspect element. This is for Justin Bieber. Come on, focus. Justin Bieber for the month of March 2011. And there were 32 articles written about him. So you can see for a human, it's pretty easy to just type in a name, search a month, and get a result. But that's only one result, and if I want to collect it for all time, for all people, that's like at least 1 million searches, so that's going to take too long for a human. So what I did was I went through inspect element and found the exact, I guess it's called a get request, that retrieves this list of news, and I managed to put it into the URL here. You can see there's Justin Bieber. There's the date range. I'm not sure what facet means, but I don't think it matters. And then it returns this huge chunk of text. And I don't really know... Okay, I kind of know what this text means. But all I want is that number, right? The number of articles. So how do I get that? Well, I was looking through, and you can see this is the beginning of the article's title, and they call it the abstract. So you might just think, oh, just search for how many times the word abstract shows up or something. Or I guess if it's JSON or something, then I can use JSON decryptor or something. I'm doing a bad job of typing. But, oh my god, the S key does not work very well. Ugh. Okay, well, I'll explain why neither of those work. So abstract shows up 10 times. And also if you did the JSON decryption thing, it would show 10 results in this list. And that's because it only returns the first 10 results, because it's saying showing 1 to 10 out of 32 results. What I want to find is that 32. And it turns out what you search for is this here. Hits. I guess it's the hits property of meta. And that's 32. And I wasn't sure if that was actually correct or if it was a coincidence, because, you know, the number 32 is pretty small, so it's very likely that some other trait might also be 32. But I tried it on a different month. I think this was January of the same year. And here it was 19, which is also correct. So now I know what to do. I just need to continuously search, enter in this URL, change the date range and person as necessary, and then only care about the single number that shows up after meta : hits : and then I have my number, and yeah, then I repeat a million times. So hopefully using that technique I can let it run overnight and get all the data I need. Why is it so blurry this far back? Anyway, this is, I guess, the type of stuff that I do before each Abacaba video, I guess. So if you're curious, this is like stage 1, you know, before any of the actual designing of the visual interface. This is actual data collection, how it all begins. And here we go. 19 articles about Justin Bieber in January 2011 and 32 in March. Okay. Eventually you'll see all that data in a video, so that's cool. Bye.